Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Avenue Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2005 Honda Civic GLS sedan. Stock reference number is 3831. This shape runs from the 11th month year 2000 to the 12th month 2005. It has a D17Z1 1.7 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. D17Z1 1.7 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. It's fitted with 14-inch factory alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror, colour coded. Left front door has one small dent. Left rear door also has one small dent. Left rear 14-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tail light, boot lid garnish. Boot lid appears to have no damage. It's got a tidy park sensor type rear bumper bar. Right hand boot lid garnish, right hand tail light, both in good condition. Right rear 14-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door seems to have no damage. Right front door also appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror. Right guard in good condition. And a right front 14-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with grey cloth interior in pretty good condition. It's got an automatic centre console. Automatic gear shifter. Heated controls, non-climate control type, factory single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.